Hola, it's Chef Adriana, and today I'm going to teach you how to make Bacalao Al Pil Pil. It is a classic dish from the north of Spain, from the Basque country, and it's basically cod and a magical sauce with olive oil and the gelatin that comes from the cod. And very simple ingredients. We just need a really good olive oil. I recommend an Aberquina, which is a mild olive oil. Aberquina is good, and manzanilla. Today we're gonna use manzanilla, which is a milder, it's not a robust olive oil. You want to make sure you can taste that cod through the sauce. And then garlic, of course, we're gonna cook that in the beginning. And then I'm gonna add my own twist, which I'm gonna add a touch of heat to the sauce and a little bit of acidity. And we're gonna do that adding our yellow mojo. After we did the whole process of creating the sauce or the emulsion, we're gonna add it. So giving you the option to stop right there if you wanna keep it pure and simple, or adding a couple layers more of flavor. And then at the end, I'm gonna add a few touches of passion fruit reduction. I believe it needs, it even gets better when it has a little touch of acidity. So when we get there, I'll show you. But now let's get started with the first part of the dish. About 7 minutes per side at a medium low heat, and I wanted to show you that you let it sit for a little bit, and it will continue to release its collagen or gelatin, I mean. And if you can see here, I've had it here for about 10 minutes, and make sure you grab these, okay? So now let's make the sauce.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use, now every day